Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study for business studies. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the core concepts and key terminology. Next, break down your entire syllabus into smaller, manageable sections. This approach helps you tackle complex topics one by one. Finally, create a realistic study schedule, allocating sufficient time for each subject area. Consistency is key, so aim for at least 3 to 4 dedicated study sessions each week, each lasting about 1 hour. To truly excel, first obtain the official syllabus from your teacher or school website. This document outlines all the required topics and learning outcomes. Next, make the most of your textbooks, online educational resources, and comprehensive class notes. These materials provide different perspectives and reinforce understanding. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers on any challenging concepts. Their insights are invaluable for deeper comprehension. Employ active study techniques to maximize your learning. Try summarizing each chapter in your own words. This process significantly enhances retention. Create flashcards for key terms, definitions, and important formulas to aid memorization. A powerful technique is to explain concepts aloud to an imaginary audience or a study partner. This method helps solidify your understanding and identify any gaps in your knowledge. Consistent practice and revision are crucial for success. Work through past exam papers to familiarize yourself with the question formats and time constraints. Practice applying your theoretical knowledge to various case studies, as this is a common assessment method. Finally, regularly review all topics to reinforce your long-term memory. Aim for at least 2 comprehensive revision sessions before any major assessment, ensuring you cover all material.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.